Do you hear it? What's in the box? Oh. Hey everyone, it's Savannah from The Savvy Life. And guys, we're going to be playing What's in the Box with Gracie. She's super amused by this. She loves this box. Isn't that right? You like that box? Yes. Oh, right in the forehead. Alright, you ready to open the box? Do you want to open it? Is that what you're so excited about? Yes? She's super excited, like, oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, so, guys, you're going to open this box. It's a medium-sized box. Hey, pay attention. You gotta know what's in this box, too. So, I have no idea what's in the box. It's a box, it's medium-sized, and it's very light. But Grace getting one on her hand. No? Okay. Alright, I got some scissors, so ready to open it. Are you ready? Get your teeth off. Guys, before I open this box, guys, did you guys subscribe? If you didn't, subscribe now. Or after the video. Okay. You ready? Are you ready? Why are you sniffing my shirt? You get distracted easily. Not me. Gracie, don't you want to know what's in it? Don't you want to know? 3, 2. Okay, that's good enough. You can go there. All right, ready, guys? Here we go. Whoa, bubble wrap! Woo! Oh. All right. Okay, all the way. Let's open it all the way. Whoa! Squeezables. It's so big. Oh, it's a narwhal. Look, they're the squeezy thingies. They're squeezables. They're like those little, the squishies. Squishies, that's what they're called. Whoa, there's so many. Look, there's a narwhal. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, are you excited to open them? Yes. Do you want to open them up? Yes. All right. So, oh, wait. All right. So, first, this is a jumbo, and this is a narwhal. All right. This is the narwhal one. Squeeze me, it says. And they're called squeezables. I bet you it's collectibles. I think that's what it is. Collect them all. Yeah. So, oh, this big box, which I'm really, really happy about. It's not a box, but it's like a. So, Yo-Yo lip gloss. See? Wow. All right. You ready? You seem very excited, Gracie. Well, if you're not excited, I'm excited. So, oh, this always happens to me. I always try to rip it, and then it always rips wrong. Whoa, there's so many! Yeah! all right. Let's start with one. So, this is a. Okay, I'll get it after. This is a keychain. Do you see it? Like the keychain? Yeah. This is a keychain. It says, I think, a croissant. I think. But you gotta open it because you gotta see what it is. Wow. Ooh. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells really good. Ooh. It's squishy. Mwahaha. Okay. Alright, so that was our first one. First one was a croissant, I think. And it's a keychain. That's a keychain. Alright, next one. This is another keychain. I don't know what this is supposed to be. It's a face. That's what it is. The face. Ooh, I like the big ones because they're like they slowly rise. So there's this one. There's that one. I think it's just supposed to be a face. It's a cute face though. Alright. So these are like slowly rising, which I really, really like. Next. I don't know what this is supposed to be. What's that supposed to be? I don't know. I don't think she knows either. She's just a dog. I'll pick that up later. I wonder. It looks like frosting, like when you frost things, it like, couldn't it be like frosting or something like that? Oh! It might be a dumpling. So this is a dumpling, and it's white, and it's very squeezable. Oh, and I really don't know if it's a dumpling. So if you guys know what it is, comment below. This is what it looks like. Comment below, because I don't know what it is actually. We're gonna save a big one for last, if you guys are wondering why I'm not opening the big one yet. Because it's jumbo, why not? Whoa! This looks supposed to be a rabbit mermaid. Whoa, that one's so cool. It's not like one of the littler ones either. Whoa! It's so soft. It's softer than the other ones, but look. It's a cat mermaid. Oh, because there are the ears and then there's the mermaid tail. This is my favorite so far. Besides the narwhal. The narwhal is my absolute favorite. So, this is a kitty mermaid, I think. Because, yeah, that's a kitty mermaid. Okay, kitty mermaid. Now I'm going to test it by you guys. Alright, yeah. She loves it. It's her friend. Alright. Woo! Ice cream! These are the bigger ones are a little more squishier. Look at that. Now it's deformed ice cream. I'm gonna say it's a strawberry ice cream cone or ice cream, and then you got the cone. It's the strawberry one. Woo! Look at that. Woo. And ready, set, destroy it. Ugh. All right. That's gonna stay with you too. You really like these ones, so I'm just gonna give it to you. Alright, this one's next. A cheeseburger! Yes! I love cheeseburgers. They're like my favorite food. Whoa! Okay. You guys gotta see this one. So this one's got a face. It's got a face. Wait. Undeformed. There we go. Okay. That one's got a face. And then there's the bun. And then you got cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and the hamburger, of course. Or the meat. Then you squish it up into a ball and you let it form. Woo! Look at that. That was my favorite. I have a lot of favorites. I never can choose. It's weird. Alright. Last but not least, a giant tooth. Second but not least, a giant tooth. Whoa. This one's a little weird, squishing a tooth. Oh, it's got such a tiny little face. It's like, oh. That, oh. I'm a bunny. Are you a bunny? Can you be a bunny? See if she can be a bunny, right? Grace, you got that big tooth in front? So, yeah. Alright. So this one's a huge tooth. I want you guys to look at it. Slowly rise. So it's got this tiny little face, and I love it because it's so cute. It's so funny. Alrighty. And then last but not least, I'm for real this time. Last but not least, it's a giant one, and it's a narwhal. Giant. No. Whoa. Yes. I have never had a narwhal yet. This is my first narwhal one. It's a rainbow. So it's like a pinkish up here, and then it goes to a red, to a yellow, to a green. And the unicorn horn is poop. Or not poop, the unicorn horn is purple. See that purple? Purple. Squish it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I opened 8 squishies. First one is a narwhal, a rainbow one. Second one is a croissant. Third one we think is a dumpling. Fourth one is a mermaid cat. Or, yeah, a mermaid cat. Third one is a face. Oh wait, did I say third like 5 times? You know what? This one is the ice cream. And the last one is a hamburger. That was so exciting. I didn't know it'd be squishies. Did you, Grace? I don't think she did. But, so that's it, guys. And you guys have asked for shout outs, right? So, what I'm going to do in future videos is you're going to comment below #notification_squad, and I'll pick one of you in each video, and I will, like, say hi, Patricia, hey Patricia. Yeah, I don't know why I picked that name. But like if I commented, I would put hashtag notification squad. And then I would, in my next video, if I got picked, I'd be, hi Savannah, go follow Savannah at blah, 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 blah. So I hope you guys have good luck, and so go comment below, hashtag notification squad. So that's it guys, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs it up, Grace. Bye. And don't forget to thumbs up and comment.